Hey guys, welcome to OmniVision Studio. Here we are with the new exciting tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to disappear the bowl and the chopstick, like this. We are going to use the Object Select tool, and the new updated features in Content Aware Fill in Photoshop. So let's get started. Open the image which you wanted to edit. Now to remove this, hover over to the left side to the toolbar, select Object Select tool which is grouped in this gang here. Hold, and drag a box roughly around the thing we want to select. Now go to Edit, select Content Aware Fill. Now at the right hand side, the bowl and the chopstick are gone. But there are some edges which are not gone completely, so to solve that, we will cancel it for now. Then go to Select Option. Find the Modify from the tab and click Expand. You'll need to play around with it depending on your one. We have selected 50 pixels and we click OK. Now the selection area is expanded. After that, go back to Content Aware Fill. Now as you can see here, the bowl and the chopstick are completely gone. But before there were some edges are present. But the other thing you can do if you're getting bad results, what you can do is play around with color adaptation. Go through and just play with these options and adjust. We think high is good enough for this image. The green stuff is what it's using to sample from. It's saying I'm going to use all of this stuff to try and remove the selected object. Click on the minus sign, and adjust the size of the brush accordingly. Don't use the plate as a sample. Means you are excluding the plate to fill the texture. Use the plus sign to take the texture you want to fill for the selected object. Check the selection. Then when you're finished, what we're going to do output to, we're going to go to duplicate layer, just we've got a whole new layer with a selected object removed. Now to remove this selection, go to Select Option and click on Deselect. Check the image from the layer panel. Select the background layer. There is another way if you want to select entire object in the image. Go to Select Option and click on Subject. As you can see, the main objects are automatically got selected. For selecting any object, there is one more option in Select Object tool called Lasso tool. By holding the left mouse click, select the object you wanted. If it doesn't automatically get selected, don't worry, just hold Shift and select the part which is not selected. This is it for this tutorial. We'll see you in the next one. Like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming tutorials.